Guys, anyone got the answer? Anyone got the answer? Samsini, Sandhya, Shruti. Guys, some answer, some response from you people. Naomi, you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what happened? Didn't get the answer?
I didn't get the answer, sir.
Any others? So I'm taking the triangle OAB. Is the triangle OAB what kind of triangle? What kind of triangle OAB?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle.
What is this angle? At O it is 120. I'm taking a altitude here, and it is meeting at M. So this is right angle. This is right angle. So for isosceles triangle, if I'm taking an altitude from vertex of the isosceles triangle, it will divide the angle 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Now I'm taking only O, it will bisect. AB will bisect. So this is 21. I don't know this height, but I know this angle 60 degrees. O, M, A. So AM will be equal to MB. If I am able to calculate the AM value, then my job is done. Guys, clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So which angle
Yes,
will
sir.
be useful to calculate the AM value? What is the value of sine 60 here?
Root 3 by 2, sir.
Root 3 by 2. According to the definition, opposite side by adjacent hypotenuse.
AM by AO.
AM by
AO.
OA. So this is root 3 by 2 will be equal to AM by 21. So AM will be equal to 21 root 3 by 2 centimeter. So AB will be equal to 2 times AM. So this will be 21 root 3 centimeters. So this is the length of the chord. So AB will be equal to 21 root 3 centimeter. Now, how to calculate the area of triangle OAB? Area of triangle OAB, or find OM length. How to calculate OM length? Using trigonometry. Which angle I have to take here? What is the cos 60?
degrees, sir.
Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. So OM will be equal to 21 by 2 centimeter. So what is the area of the triangle from here? Area of triangle OAB will be equal to half into base is AB, height is OM. So half into base is how much? 21 root 3 into height is 21 by 2. So How much you are getting the area of the triangle? 21 into 21 is how much? 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Guys, clear? One question, everything. The whole topic, we can finish it up in one question. So now, if I'm asking you to calculate the area of the sector, how you will calculate? Which formula I have to pick here? Area of sector OAYB, theta by 360 into pi r square. Am I right? Guys, clear? Or am I confusing too much?
Yes, sir. Not
Yeah.
confusing, sir.
120 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. So what is the answer? Area of the sector is how much? 22 into 21 is how much? 462?
Yes, sir.
462 centimeter square. Suppose if I am asking area of the chord, sorry, area of the segment,
Area of sector minus area of triangle.
correct. If I am asking only this area of segment AYB, that will be equal to area of sector OAYB minus area of triangle OAB. So this will be 462 minus 441 root 3 by 2. Sorry, 4. So what is the simplest answer you have to write? You can write the answer is like, you can take 21 common, 21 by 4 into 88 minus 21 root 3 centimeter square. This is the final answer. You can keep it like this. If you don't have time, no need to simplify. Straight away you can keep it in irrational number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone do what is the length of the arc AYB? Can you try? Length of the arc. Length of the arc AYB. What is the formula, Niranjan?
So theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
So theta is 120 divided by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21. Calculate and let me know what is the length of the arc AYB.
44.
How much?
44, sir.
44.
So 44 centimeter. So any problem will come within this range only. Like what other thing we discussed? We discussed almost all the whole topic in a single numerical. So I'm going to share one worksheet after the class. We will do a few numericals from that worksheet. We'll start with 3 marks questions or a few questions related to. So we'll go with question number 8. All 1 mark questions you try. If you are having any doubt in next class, we can discuss. Or you can post a message. I will send the solution for that question also. Not a problem. Doubts, you can post a message in group. Not a problem because of the exam moment. So you can post if any particular doubt you are unable to clear by anyone. Is everyone clear with the question, or I can zoom it? Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try this question. What is the area of the trapezium? Formula. Anyone?
Sir, half plus A plus B into H, sir.
Yes. Suppose if I'm taking this is B, this is A, and this height is the H. Area of trapezium A plus B into H divided by 2, or you can say half A plus B into H. Supervish how you are writing. What is the formula for shaded region in this question? He's asking AB is a quadrant of a circle. Find the area of the shaded region.
So
Area of trapezium minus area of the quadrant, sir.
Yeah, calculate and let me know. Quadrant you can take directly 1 by 4 pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Steps are important, guys. Then we'll get full marks easily. Diagrams, keep it in mind when you're presenting on the paper.
Sir, is the area of the shaded region is 14.37 centimeters square, sir.
Wait for 14.3.
7 centimeters square I got, sir.
We'll wait for other answers.
So is the area
Yes.
14.875?
14.875. Any others?
Even I got 14.875.
Okay. What is the area of the trapezium? What are the values? BC is 4, AD is 10, and height is how much?
0.5, sir.
So the area of trapezium straight away they gave, correct? How much it is? 24.5. Then how to calculate the area of this quadrant?
Theta by 360 into pi r square, sir.
It is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into what is R value?
3.5.
How you got? So 24.5
Sir,
will
by
be
6.
equal to half into 10 plus 4, 14, correct? From here,
Yes, sir.
7 years, 7 how many times? 3.5, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 3.5 into 3.5. So 4 times, 7, 0.5 times, 2, 11 times. 24.5 minus, how much this value? 11 into 0.5 into 1, 3.5. 1.1 into 3.5, sorry, not 1.1, sorry guys. 5.5. 5.5 into 3.5 divided by 2. Two different values I got, which is more accurate in this. I am also getting 14.875. Or you can round it off to 14.87 or 88. Anything is fine. Both they will consider, but look into this. Why two decimals you are getting wrong, Niranjan? Later you can try. Okay,
Okay, sir.
guys. Others, what about others? Got the same answer? Akash, Amrita, Sandhya.
Got it,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Shall I go for the some other question? Ninth question, it's already taken from the textbook, it seems. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field of 70 meter by 52 meter and is it threaded to one corner by a rope of 21 meter long. How much area it can graze? This is a textbook question, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Try it 11th and 12th. 11th and 12th will try. The same worksheet will be shared after the class through app or something. If you are not received, let me know. I will share in the group otherwise. Yes. First, do the 11th question. Three circles of radius A are drawn such that each touches the other. Prove that the area included between them is. So I can say this is a figure. But it's not same radius. It will look like this if it is same radius. So he is asking this radius, this area. Take the centers, join the centers, then you will get one clarity how to do. This is R, this is R, this is also R. According to given, it is A. A, 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 and A. So all the angles are 60, 60, 60 because it is an equilateral triangle. From that you can calculate area of the triangle, area of the three sectors with 60 degrees, and subtracting from the area of the triangle will give the final answer. Try. Any doubt, please let me know.
Sir, completed, sir.
The answer 4 by 25 a square. See, if I'm taking the triangle, each triangle side is how much? 2a, 2a, 2a. So what is the area of the triangle?
Root 3 by 4 a square, sir.
Root 3 by 4 into side square. That is 2a whole square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because if it is a means root 3 by 4 a square, here the side is 2a. So 2 cancel. So answer is root 3 a square. And when it comes to one arc, there are three arcs will be like this. So each arc is 60 degrees with a radius of a. So area of the one arc, one sector, sorry, not arc, area of one sector, 60 by 360 into pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r square is a square. So 6 times 22 by, sorry, r pi a square by 6. How many arcs, how many sectors we are having? 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors, 3 into pi a square by 6. So this is 2 times pi a square by 2. But we are not getting 4 by 25 a square. Okay, okay. After substituting the values, you are getting Niranjan. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This will be root 3 a square minus pi a square by 2. So a square 2 root 3 minus pi by 2. Am I right? So if you put the values, then you will get the 4 by 25 approximately, as they said. Now, how to do this question? See here, if you look, these are the 3 segments. Each side is 10 centimeter. They gave. Is asking shaded region. Shaded region means the shaded regions are only three sectors. So each sector is same. 3 sectors are having same radius and same angle, 60 degrees. So area of one sector is 60 by 360 into pi. What is the r square value here? What is the radius? Radius is
5
5 centimeter.
centimeter.
5 into 5. So this is 25 pi by 6 square units. Like this, we are having 3 sectors. So total area of shaded region is 3 times 25 pi by 6. So what is the answer? 25 pi by 2 square units, or you can write as 25 by 2 into 3.14 and multiply, you will get the single value. This is how we can able to solve the 12th question. It's simple. There is nothing in this. Because he mentioned it very clearly, these are the midpoints. Midpoints means all the sectors are same size. Because of the all the sides are same, it's an equilateral triangle. Guys, please mute yourself. There is a disturbance from your end. Harshita, please mute yourself. Yes. Shall I go for some other question? Guys, is it clear? 11th and 12th both?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubts? 11th and 12th? Anyone having any doubt? 11th and 12th? Shall I? I'm moving to the next question. I think this question is from the textbook. Please try one more time. Question number 13. We will go for 14. After that, we'll go for 13. 14 is looking like different, but 13 is available in the textbook. Yes. Please try this question. Read the question and try. How many of people know the meaning of incircle and circumcircle? What is its meaning? Anyone? Sandhya, any idea? Incircle and circumcircle.
Sir, in circle is circle inscribed inside a triangle.
Anything, whether it is a triangle or whether it is a rectangle or whatever the thing. If it is inscribed inside, if it is inscribed, that is called incircle, touching all the four sides. It won't happen in case of rectangle. It will happen either square or either triangle, or we can do in hexagon. If anything is bounding, the triangle is inside the circle or the square is inside the circle, this is called circumscribing. This is called circumcircle in this case. In this case, this is called incircle. So now we can able to do based on this. There are two circles. Incircle, find the radius of the incircle, find the radius of the circumcircle. Is asking the circumferences of the incircle and circumcircle, and area of the incircle and circumcircle.
Sir, is the ratio between the circumferences is 1:√2, sir?
See, we will wait for others also. 1
Okay,
is
sir.
to √2. Next.
And then for the area of incircle and the circumcircle of the square is 1:2, sir.
1 is to 2. What is the radius of incircle?
Sir, A
And radius of circumcircle?
√2a.
Because it is a hypotenuse of, diagonal, half of the length of the diagonal, correct?
Yes, sir.
From this we can able to do.
Sir, for the first one, I got it as 1 is to root 2.
Okay. Try for second one also. I wrote the answers also here. Just check whether you are getting the same answer or a different answer. If it is different, we'll see which one is correct. We can check.
Sir, for the second one, I got it as 1 is to 2, sir.
1 is to 2. Am I right?
Sir,
What about others? Guys, Nirupama, Sandhya, Shruti, Niranjan. Only 2 students. Hamsini. I think Niranjan and one more girl. Who gave the answer?
Sir, Harshida, sir.
Harshida and Niranjan. What about others?
So first one I got the same answer. Second one I'm doing, sir.
Okay, try. Just 2 more minutes, 2-3 minutes. Who already done? I am going to give another question. Please try the 14th question. Try the question number 13. has done the previous question? Anyone started this question? Anyone got the answer?
Sir, is the total cost is 162.68 rupees, sir.
162.68 rupees, correct?
Yes, sir, I got like that.
Yes, see, we'll wait for other answers also. Take any one sector and find this shaded region, multiply with 6, we'll get the shaded region area, and multiply with 0.35 rupees, then we'll get the final answer. So radius is 28, this is also 28, same as previous question. Draw a perpendicular, and if I'm taking this is m, find the am value, then you will get the triangle area. So sector area minus triangle area will use the shaded region. So that is a almost we can most of the solution was done. Once you got the shaded region, it will be easy. How much you got the shaded region? Niranjan?
The shaded region, sir.
One part, only one part.
Sir, I didn't do as a one part, sir. I took the formula for the shaded region minus the area of the sector. Like that, I did, sir.
How you done?
I didn't separate. Sir, I didn't separately find out the area of one shaded region and the area of the sector, sir. I just
Total area minus
put the
area of the triangles, correct?
yes, sir.
Total area
Like
of
then,
circle minus area of 6 triangles, correct?
yes, sir.
So what is the height of the triangle you got here? You need height and base, no? Then how you done?
Sir, it's an equilateral triangle, so I used the formula root 3 by 4 a square, sir.
So simply I can say it is equilateral triangle because this is 60, because of isosceles, this also 60 and this also 60. So root 3 by 4 a square, correct? So without much calculation, we can able to solve this question. Root 3 by 4 a square into 6 times, where a is the radius of the circle or one side of the triangle, correct? Anyone got the answer? Others? Yes, any others got the answer? Only one person gave the answer for this. What about others? Any are here? Harshida, Amrita, Shruti, Sandhya, what about you people? You got the answer or not? Nirupama, who completed question number 13? Please solve these three questions. Niranjan, please proceed. 15, 16, 7. First to do the 15 one. Once you're done, please let me know. Guys, some response done. Question number 13. Everyone. Niranjan, where you are? Amchini.
Sir, those 15th question, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for 15th one is the area of the major segment of the circle is 1/1/4 centimeter square, sir.
114 centimeter square. What is the concept used? The chord of
The
circle.
1/142 centimeter square, sir.
1142. 1142. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. We'll wait for others. Go
Okay,
for
sir.
16th one. No one is giving any response. Anyone got the 15th question?
Sir, I also got only 1142, sir.
Okay. Where is the segment? Chord of circle radius.
Sir, for the 16th question, the area of the sector of circle with radius 4 centimeter and angle of 30°, I got as 4.186 centimeter square, sir. And then for the area of the corresponding major sector, 50.24 centimeter squares.
Next. I think it's a direct questions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is straight questions. Radius is given, angle is given. So theta by 360 into pi r square will gives the minor sector, and theta minus 360 divided by 360. Sorry, 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square will gives the remaining sector. It depends upon theta value. Remaining sector area. Like this also you can able to do. Or total area minus one first sector area will gives the major sector area. Go for the 17th question. Area of sector of a circle of radius 36 centimeter is 54 pi centimeter square. Find the length of the corresponding arc of the sector.
Sir, for the 17th question, I got answer as 9.42 centimeters square.
So this is a procedure. Theta by 360 into pi r square will be equal to 54 pi.
Yes, sir.
So how much theta you got?
Sir, I didn't find the theta, sir. So for theta by 360, I kept the value as 54 by 36 into 36, sir. And then I
Okay.
substituted it in the formula of length of the arc, sir.
We need 2 pi r value now. This value we want, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you kept like this and you substituted. What you done here?
54. Sir, for theta by 360, I got the value as 54 by 36 into 36, sir, while bringing all the to the another side, sir. So,
Okay.
like
Or I
that, I
can do like
substituted,
this.
sir.
Multiply 2 on both sides. Divide with r. This will become theta by 360 into 2 pi r will be equal to 2 into 54 pi divided by r is how much? 36. This is the length
Sir,
of.
I got theta value as 15, sir.
Okay. What is the length of the arc, Niranjan?
Sir, I got 3 pi, sir. When I substituted the value for pi, I got
Centimeter,
9.42
right?
centimeters square. Yes, sir.
3 pi centimeter is right answer. Or you can multiply with 3 into 3.14. Anything, your wish. Go through some more questions. I sent a message already to ma'am to share the worksheets. Probability, statistics, area related to circle. So she will share mostly after the session. If you are not received, please remind me. I will share tonight itself or tomorrow morning. So, okay, shall I end up the class? Guys, anyone having any other doubts?
Got the answer, sir.
Yeah. Shall I close the class? Anything we will discuss? Any other questions we'll do, or we'll close the class? Will you try and will you come back for next class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Meet in
sir.
next class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.